Hello guys, welcome back to mathematics class. Today we're going to take a look at lesson 2.7, number, writing three-digit numbers in expanded form. What do we mean by three-digit numbers? They are hundreds, tens, and ones. Three digits, 1, 2, 3. So any number that has 100, 200, or 300, up to 900, they are three digits number. So let's take a look at these blocks. What number is shown by each type of block in this picture? You can see we have 200s. We have 4 tens and 5 ones. So how do we determine the value of these blocks? We can determine it by writing these 200s to be 200 plus these 4 tens will be 40. These 5 ones, the value will be 5. So in other words, this block is represented by 245. Again, 245. So let's take a look at this other number. We have 400s, 0 tens, and 5 ones. So how do we write the value of this number shown in the expander? The 400s can be written as 400. That's the value. Tens remain 0. And the 5 ones value is 5. So let's go on to the workout. Number 1, look at the blocks. Write the matching number on the expander, then write the number in expanded form. Part A, we have 2 hundreds. So we're going to write 2 in front of the hundreds. We have 4 tens, 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to write 4 tens here and 1 ones. So we write 1. So what is the value of this number, 200s? The value of 200 is 200. The value of 4 tens is 40. The value of 1 ones is 1. Part B, we have 200s. So we write 2 in the expander. There is no tens. So we write 0 tens. And we have 7 ones. So we're going to write 7. And their value will be 200 plus 0 tens plus 7 ones. There you have it. Now let's go on to number 2. Number 2, write each number in expanded form. Part A, 700s, 52. So what is the value of 700s? It will be 700. 5 tens will be 50. 2 ones, value is 2. Part B, 100s, the value will be 100. 9 tens, the value will be 90. 8 ones, value is 8. Part C, 500's value will be 500. 110 will be 10. 7 ones will be 7. Now part D, 600's value will be 600. 3 tenths value will be 30. 0 ones will be 0. Number 3. Write each number in expanded form. Part A, we have 428. What is the value of 400? Will be 400. What is the value of 2 tenths? It will be 20. What is the value of 8 ones? That will be 8. Good job, guys. Now let's go on to part B. 299. The value of 200s will be 200. 9 tenths value will be 90. And 9 ones value will be 9. Part C. 900s will be 900. 1 tenth will be 10. 2 ones will be 2. And the value of 680. 600s will be 600. 8 tenths will be 80. 0 ones will be 0. Now let's go on to the expander. On each expander, write the number that has been expanded. Part A, 500. We write 500s. 10 is 110. 4 is 4 ones. Part B, 800 will be 800s. 90 will be 9 tenths. And there is no ones, so we have 0 ones. Part C, 600 we will write it as 600s. There is no tenths, so we will write 0 tenths. 2 is 2 ones. Part D, 100 is 100s. 20 will be 2 tenths. 6 will be 6 ones. Now let's go on to practice 2.7. Number 1, write each number in expanded form. Before I'll do the correction here, I would like you to stop this video, go and do this exercise. Come back and watch this video and check your answers. Stop the video now. Go and do this exercise 2.7. Go now. Okay. Now, if you have done your exercise, so let's do the corrections together. Number 1, part A, 400's value will be 400. 7 tenths will be 70. 1 ones will be 1. Part B, 500s will be 500 plus 60 will be 60. 6 tenths will be 60. 4 ones will be 4. Part C, 600s value will be 600. 3 tenths will be 30. 5 ones will be 5. Part D, 100s will be 100. 4 tenths will be 40. 3 ones will be 3. Part E, 200's value will be 200. 0 tens value will be 0, and 6 ones will be 6. Part F, 3 ones value will be 300. 5 tenths value will be 50. 0 ones will be 0. Now let's go on to number 2. Write each number in expanded form. So we have part A, 548. In expanded form will be 500 plus 40 plus 8. Part B, 107. 100, 0, 10, and 7, 1. 7 ones. Part C, 240. 200 plus 4 tens, which is 40. 0 ones will be 0. 322. 300s. 2 tens, which is 20. 2 ones is 2. Part E, 694. This 600s will be 600. 9 tens will be 90. 4 ones will be 4. Part F, 499. 400 will be 400 here. 9 tens will be 90. And 9 ones will be 9. There you have it. Check your answers with the one I've just done for you and see where you made a mistake. Do your corrections in your book. Send it to the teacher.